Mystery here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Xbox One S. I got a special guest with me today, RJ here, slash Wilcapo, you know, self merch, no clickbait, or copyright. Yeah, let's get to the video, guys. So here's the box right here. I'm gonna be letting him do the honors for that.
I feel like Wolverine guy.
You feel like Wolverine.
Like Corey Kitchen his scarred fame.
Yeah.
Diamond plate.
Yeah. It's starting to feel like that diamond plate, but oh.
Oh, you got an army fatigue. I'm stealing your controller. I'm stealing your controller. This controller is mine. So, okay?
I already got one there, so I'm cool on that
We'll
too.
keep that over there.
Yeah.
That controller is mine. So okay. There. This. Ah,
Do it.
Smells good. Smell like box. It smells like a box.
Box. We got all the rest of the stuff in here, you know. Get that foam out of here, you know.
Oh, I found little bows. But yes, guys, here is the Xbox S. Hey, Xbox, sponsor me, okay? I could be the best sponsor ever. Okay. But anyways, side note.
I'm dead.
The 14 controller right here, the 60 Xbox right here, and then you got the cables, and then you got the batteries on top of that. Okay, forget the batteries, guys. Definitely for the Xbox users, because y'all need batteries a lot, okay?
Don't be stealing your mother's batteries now.
Alright, don't be stealing the TV remote batteries, okay? And you always gotta make sure the knife is always away, so you won't cut yourself. Safe tips, kids. Anyways, I scratched myself. Ouch. I'm taking H down here on cord too.
Yeah, I already got one there. I'm cool.
So that means you're not gonna be able to play the game at all.
Nah, I'm able to play the game. I got one like over there, you know.
I'm still this.
Hey, yo, he's stealing my merch.
I'm stealing all of it.
We got a runner.
I'm stealing the Fox 2. The Fox 2.
No, not Crispy. My home Crispy.
I'm still crispy, okay? But here, you can set it up.
Alright.
I don't want to mess that. I don't want to mess your setup up because you gotta have a certain way. Yeah.
Right. Now I don't have to worry about borrowing the Xbox over there anymore. That one over there. I was borrowing that one there, down there. Don't mind that.
Squid Games. This is $4.95. Contestant $4.95. Let's see how long you last. If you survive long enough, you get money. You okay?
Sure. Sign me up, Squid Game.
Yes, sponsor me, Squid Game. Y'all know what? Hey, I could be an actor too. You know. It's like, anyways.
Be the first one to die, me.
That light is bright. Oh my god. I just stared at him. Okay, so I'll just put the batteries in for him, but he's going through them. So.
Right. Man, why is this thing not focusing right? Like there's something else up front of you.
A ghost! Oh, good. The controller is tested 15. Tested 15.
Oh, bad.
That means you're gonna die to 15. Oh my god.
You know how they be like when they get a close up? They be like,
guys, I'm not on no drugs, okay? I'm just very overwhelmed of schoolwork. Oh my god, this looks so good.
the shine of it. That thing, why is it shining so much? I could have got the Minecraft version.
Good. Okay.
No cap.
Okay. Now you can set it up. Okay.
So I guess we can cut to the part where I do set it up. I'm back. And now, all right. So I'm gonna be here for like this type of somewhat showcase, just a bit, part of it. I guess I could say showcase, but not quite showcase too, for the other HDMI. So yeah. Alright, so like literally like 5 days later, I got a chance to like edit the videos. So anyways, I did set up the Xbox and all. So this is, I mean, just to show y'all that I got it running now. And by the time this comes out, yeah, I have a console now, but not a desktop computer quite yet. My bad, let me just show over here. So, thank y'all so much for watching here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It took me a long amount of time to get this done. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Stay miscellaneous, good journey, and pause out.